Goes smooth, the rhythm stays slow. Engine talks low in a steady flow. Feels lie flat under a pale blue sky. Another mile drifting quietly by. Wind taps soft on the window frame. Every stretch of road feels the same. No hurry now, just forward sound. White lines pulling me closer to town. Sliding out of sight, I stay in my lane, let the highway breathe. Westbound wheels keep carrying me. Traffic's thin, just a truck or two. Long straight asphalt pulling me through. The day stays open, the light stays clean. Somewhere ahead, the city's gleam. Nothing to prove, just time the road in a gentle groove. I follow the west till the signs turn bright. Zagreb waiting in the fading light. right shoulder slow, mirrors catch a piece of where I've been, but the wheels keep pulling me forward again. The engine hums like it knows the way, steady and low through the middle of day. Feels like quiet, flat and wide, nothing asking, nothing denied. Wind slides in with a gentle sound, white lines stretch then pull me around. Traffic's thin, just space and time. Blues moves easy, right in the line. The sign stands still by the passing road. Yeah, j'avais rest stop, close no load, no lights calling, no place to stay, just another mile drifting away. The sky stays soft, the light stays clean, that in between autumn scene, tires sing low in the open lane, like a slow repeating refrain. shifts, the road breathes different.